You have started. Now, this is where we write these numbers into various significant figures. We are told we write the first one into 5 significant figures. The number is 906,315. 906,315. 5 significant. Start from the first countable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to where we have 1. Is the next one greater? Yes. So add 1 to this. You get 90632, and then there's 5. You write 0 because you have already added 1 to this. You make this 0 to retain the value of the number. So you have 906,320. Is that okay?
Yes.
Go to 4. The same number. Go to the original number. 4 significant. Where you have 914. The next one is less, which is 1. So you ignore. You convert the rest to zeros. This one, you convert this to zeros, you get 9663. Sorry, 9063. 9063 00. 9063 00. You get that. Then 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. The rest. 3 is less. So convert them to zeros. So you get 906,000. 2 significant figures. 1, 2. The next one is greater. So add 1 to this. You write 91. The rest becomes zeros. So it is 910. Why are you writing those zeros? It is because you must retain the value of the number. But this one is a 2 significant number. So 910,000. Not 91. 910. Then you come to 1 significant figure. 1 significant figure. 1. This 9. When you come to 9, the next one is 0. So the rest convert them to 0 because there's 0. So you get 900,000. So to 1 significant figure, the answer is 900,000. I hope you are clear on that question.
Yes.
Good. B, part B of this question. Part B. 5 significant figures. So the number is 0.085641. 0.08. So when you want to find this one into 5 significant figures, you say, starting from the first countable digit, it is from 8. 85641, 5 significant figures. So the number is 0.085641. All the digits. All the digits. That's a 5 significant because there's no other digit beyond that. Then to 4 significant. Count. Before. The last one is 1. The last digit or the 5th digit is 1. So therefore, and because there's a decimal here, you don't write there, you ignore that 1. So you ignore that. So it becomes 0.08564. 0.08564. Because there's a decimal here. If you add a 0 here, 0 is meaningless after the decimal. So it doesn't have a meaning. So that's why you don't have to write it. Go to 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. The next one is 4. So the 4th digit is 4. So it is less than 5. So you convert them to 0 and you ignore. Because there's a decimal here. So your number is 0.0856. 0.0856. Agreed?
Yes.
Then the other one is 2 significant figures. 2 significant figures. 2 significant figures. So you get 2 significant figures here. You get this. 1, 2, 8, 5. Then the 30 digit is greater because it is 6. It is 6. So you add 1 to this. You get 0.086. 86. Like that. 0.086. Like that. So the rest you convert them to 0. Once you add 1 to this, the rest becomes zeros, then you know. 1 significant figure. 1, you go to 8. 8 is one significant figure. Go to the next one. The next one is greater. So add 1 to this. To 8, you get 9, 0.09. And that number is written to one significant figure. Is that okay?
Yes.
Then you go to C, 40. 40.0089. 5 significant. You start from 4. 4 is countable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then the next one is greater. It is 9. So add 1 to this. You get 40.009. 40.009. Come to 4 significant figures. 1, 2, 3, 4. This 8 is greater. Is greater. Is greater. Is greater. So you add 1 to this, you get 40.01. That's 4 significant figures. 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. We have 40.0. The next digit is 0. So your answer is 40.0. 2 significant figures. 1, 2. The next one is 0. So it is still 40. But when we come to one significant figure, you have 4. You have 4. 4. And 0. That's 40. So one digit, 4. The next one is 0. You write 40. You don't ignore the 0. You don't write 4 there because this one is 40. You must include that 0 to retain the value of the number. Sawa?
Yes.
The last one. Hapa hakuna mahali kuna decimal. There is no decimal here. So therefore, when you want to write the 5 significant figures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next one is 0. So your answer is still 156. You must indicate that 0 to change the value of the number. 4 significant. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 2 zeros must be there. The next one is 0. So it is 156,000. 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3.